Hello, my name is Edilson Xavier Samoni Saavedra. I am 25 years old. I study public accounting. What were you doing last Christmas? Last Christmas, I shared very little with my family. I spent it working. At night watch movies with my wife. That day or that candle we went to see that lighting. On December 24 and 31 we had a Christmas dinner with my family. Typical dish of that region Cauca. List of ingredients with measurement for 20 empanadas, prepared of salt, oil for grease, water, 500 grams meat to share, 1 kilogram potato, mixed kilograms or pound of large onion, mixed of vinaigrette onion, 80 grams of tomato, 25 grams garlic, 10 grams paprika seasoned in. To him with 2 dogs that was by already prepared is soaked in warm water and salt is added and canned. Preparation for that stuffing. After time that meat is cold for 1 hour and touch potato for 20 minutes. Then that lamb onion, that spring onion, that tomato, that paprika, and that garlic are chopped. To make that stew, that ingredient are fried with oil, salt, and seasoned in for 15 minutes. That meat is then shared and mixed with that potato and that stew. To assemble that empanadas, that dough is first placed and add more and that stew is ended. Finally, they are fried and hot oil for 10 minutes. I invite you to come to my region to learn about that uses numi od Cauca to try al tad Dulechin recipe Spichunli tad empanadas. Thank you very much.